Can you hand me the cheese, please? Hi guys, how we doing?
Here, cheese, please.
Papa is here teaching the kids how to. You want some flour, buddy?
Yeah, this is sticky. It's not sticking right.
Here.
It's messed up.
You had it just fine on the cookie sheet.
Put some flour on it on the table there.
Okay.
You can show the kids what they're doing.
Yeah, I can show the kids. Stuff in the way.
Give me that flour, please. Do you need flour, sissy? Or are you just making a pizza?
Just making a pizza.
Little hillbilly want to learn how to make, here, James. Roll it out now.
I told him you can't make it too big because Uncle Hillbilly's pizza's got to fit on the other side of it. And he had it patted out just right on the cookie sheet.
Don't get too thin, okay?
Is that alright?
Yeah.
I gotta fix that there. But there's a hole right here.
Squeeze it together. There you go.
Squeeze it and pinch.
There you go. Here's the sauce. Passing on down.
Secret in the sauce.
You're going to need the lid, Sage, to put the spoon in.
It's okay. Just hold on, man. I'm passing it down. I'm going to try the pizza pizzazz with the pinwheels. Will you plug me in, sissy?
Hey, don't drop the cheese over here.
Didn't mean to.
Race is going on.
Yeah.
We're gonna watch the race right now.
But you need to make your pizza for the race. Let's stick the spoon in there. Hand the spoon to her.
Here.
That's a small spoon. It'll fall in and you won't be able to find it. You're dripping grease on the table.
Sorry.
Just having family night. That's what we're trying to do. We got the race going on right now.
I want to go watch right now.
Let me see the rolling pin, please.
Here, have the rubber rolling pin. Cheese on top. Oh.
It's fine. And then roll it. Fold the ends, remember?
Is this gonna be different?
It's gonna be different, but it's your way. You're making it your way. Don't
Your
worry about it.
toppings, your way.
You can do it the way you want to do it, okay? All I'm doing is helping Uncle Hillbilly.
And then I'm gonna put cheese on the top of it too. I gotta have extra cheese.
Get you a little knife and
That knife is sharp, so be careful, okay?
this is a family thing, guys. You do with your family. This is what I love doing. Showing it off.
Yes.
Yeah, he's showing it off.
Won't you hand me that pizza sauce? And then you can put the pan by you. So it'd be easier for you. Give me that spoon.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Belch,
Now,
belch,
now
belch.
take this pan, put it over by you so you don't drop any on top of the lids or anything.
I can hear the race background.
Today's race day, guys. This is a great thing for race day is have some pizza
And go watch the race right now.
and enjoy the race thing.
Pizza or nachos.
But I want to watch the Minneapolis 500. Now we gotta watch.
Somebody can get Lily, please.
It's not on.
We're busy. We're busy. Some of these are falling apart.
Sorry, she had to leave the table for me and grab Lily. She was outside.
Some of these are falling apart.
It's fine. Smush them.
Smush them together. It's gonna happen.
Sorry, guys. I had to hurry up and say that because he would have just kept saying it over and over and over and over. And it gets annoying after a little while.
Can you hand me that pan of meat, James, please?
He's trying to do
Sorry.
Uncle Hillbilly's pizza.
There. Mine's done.
Take your rest. So they don't be in the refrigerator. You ain't gonna hurt it.
I'll tell you what, the NASCAR Cup Series is on a very weird track.
Yeah. It's on a road course, they call it.
Well, the design of the track, it looks like it's in the shape of a dinosaur. That's what Little Hillbilly said.
You need to spread that out a little bit because I want to let you know it's not going to cook all the way. Just helping you. Because if you keep it in the center, it's going to be a heck of a time to cook.
Your pizza crust will be doughy.
Yeah. But you're doing a good job. It's like a little hillbilly. He did a good job.
F is messy area.
No, we'll clean that up in a little bit.
He's going to clean it up, don't worry. At Hy-Vee, they're selling Jack's Pizza and Tombstone and DiGiorno for $2.99 a pizza. They're out of DiGiorno and they're out of Tombstone.
Yeah, well,
They had a few tombstones there.
I didn't see any.
They had none. They had Jack's. That's
All I
it.
seen was Jack's. Except that one that was in that one freezer.
I don't know if I would trust that one or not. I mean, yeah, they got it or it's cold, but they're not. You know what I mean?
Car's off.
I don't know how long someone had it in their cart before they decided to put it back.
95 laps.
James, can you hand me your tray, please?
Oh. Holy crap! Power out.
Is it gonna stay? No.
They knocked out Sam Elliott. One of my favorite
No,
ones.
they didn't knock him out.
Yeah,
They just knocked him out.
Oh, that's
there was a red.
But didn't knock him out. A little hillbilly's learning about NASCAR.
Chase Elliott and Monster Machine.
What money?
What money? Is he going to win the wish card?
Whoever's in first.
Can you hand me the cheese, please?
Here, cheese, please.
And we've only got one loaf of bread left, don't we?
Yeah. There you go.
I knew it wouldn't last. I'll have to make
There's
more.
Pinwheels, guys.
Bush is in 5th place. Now Bush is in 4th.
James, can you put this in the oven?
I don't want mine in the oven. Mine has to go in the oven. Mine's going on.
James, please.
You know, I turned it on yet.
I got something that helps me.
So I got the pizza pizzazz going right now because I'm trying it out with the Pinwheels on the pizza pizzazz.
Cheese is bubbling.
It's cooking. Might take a little bit more time.
I'm gonna have some tea.
Put it in the oven. Show your pizza if you want to.
Where's your glass from earlier?
I don't know. Put it in the sink.
You got to keep a hold on it. We're not going to dirty one glass after another, like you tried to do.
Well, this is my glass I have to use all day.
Little bit of ice.
So, working on this now and spend time with family, having a good time. This is what you call family
I
time.
suggest putting your sugar on your ice and then pouring the tea over. It just works better that way, James.
It works quicker. You don't have to stir it.
Mm-mm.
It ain't sugar, it's sweet.
It's Splenda.
We don't. The only time we really eat sugar is when Mama makes her cookies.
When I make desserts.
Yeah. Dessert time is when we really eat anything sweet. So, you guys want to know that?
Oh, excuse me again, guys.
Why this spoon is not
Ooh.
working?
Just trying this out and see how it does. I think it's doing a pretty good job. So, want to do a family video for you all and have a good time with you all. And
That works better.
It ain't wanting to shut right
it's
now.
a box in the way. And just want to have a good time and show you guys something that we haven't done in a while as a family video. You guys like seeing when we do family time and stuff like that. And this is what our family time is we sit down and do some kind of...
Okay. Thank you.
This is what we do when we have time together and try to
He's right here.
have fun.
No, you can't.
Because
Oh,
half the time kids want to play on their electronics. You can't get them away from it.
mm-mm.
But that's part of teenaging. Yes, I got a mess in front of me. I got to clean it up before dinner's done.
You can't keep them away from their electronics, but you can limit their time on it.
Yeah. We got time limits.
And it really gets bad here when they do something wrong and they get time reduced.
They get real mad.
Ooh, yeah.
It ain't a nice sight.
And it usually starts off with, well, what about her? What about him?
Yep.
But you're the one that did it. Oh, well.
We're used to it.
Yep.
So we're going to come back in a few minutes when this is all done and show you all this, what it looks like at the end, and show everybody's pizzas and stuff. And we'll see you guys in a few. Peace.
It's going. Well,
Dear Lord, thank first.
Mr. Impatient.
Dear Lord, thank first food we found. I put on my family's bear. Put on mom, dad's backs. Put on everybody in this world. Amen.
I'll tell you guys, don't buy a Moto G. They're a piece of junk.
Let's have.
Them phones are a piece of junk.
Oh, they are not. It's the operator.
No, the stupid thing won't even download pictures or anything. You gotta sit here and fight the piece of junk all the time. It's ridiculous. You shouldn't have to fight the phone just to watch a video. And it's every time. I'll never own one. I'll go back to my Samsungs. That's what I'm gonna go back.
We cannot afford a Samsung phone.
But I'm just complaining because I'm tired of the piece of junk phone.
He doesn't go into Play Store and look up and see if there's an update. Because with a Samsung phone, it's different.
Samsung, the one, you know.
I haven't had a Samsung phone for 8 years. I've had other Androids.
Well, at least Samsung, you don't have to download. You update your phone every day. Shouldn't have to update that.
You don't have to update this every day.
That's been every day.
No, it hasn't.
Yeah, it has. Every day I have to update that thing. Since I own it, I've been updating that piece of junk. That's what I call it. It's a piece of junk.
Guys, explain to Papa about regular Android phones, how they're different from a Samsung.
Samsungs are better.
They might be better.
I give Samsung company thumbs up, and they're better. You don't have to sit there and update it 20 times a week, 30 times a week.
But they're expensive. They're over $100 for a Samsung phone.
But down description below is Johnny's Meat Market and Walmart Storefront. Our email address, Facebook, and everything else down there.
No.
Amazon wish list or address. So, hope you guys love this videos and enjoy everything that we're doing for you all. And I hope you enjoyed this little speedy spatter of the phones. We love you all. Like, subscribe, share us out, and enjoy and have a great day. Peace.